I was talking to a prospect today, and they were telling me about our Spark system is built on top of HighLevel. And he said, "Well, I heard it's difficult to create a website in HighLevel." And I was like, who'd you hear that from? And he was like, "I hear people say all the time it's difficult to create a website in HighLevel." Well, let's go take a look at this. So you can see this empty sub account here. I'm going to go click on sites, and you see we have a funnel in there, but I'm going to go to websites. There are no sites in there. We're going to create a new website, and in this case, going to go to the template library, and I'm just going to choose plumber or something just for this quick. And I'm just going to take this one. It's going to refresh, and wow, look at there. We have a website. Yeah, it's a small website, and not sure if that's all the pages in that website. Let me go back in there because I did click in it pretty quickly. But we have a website. So we can go in here and add our pictures, our phone number, our social media, our everything to make this our site. We've changed all these pictures, changed all of these, and of course we got to go and fill in some text. But what else is new? This is how you create a website. So if you're thinking Go HighLevel cannot create websites quickly and easily, whoever told you that is just flat out wrong. Typically, when I run into things like that, it's because they're trying to steer you toward another product, which is fine, but let's use facts when we're going to do things like that. But anyway, just another little short here. Hope you're having a great day and look forward to seeing you next time.